to this tutorial. Today we are going to be dealing with quote designers as well, but this will be more complex than the previous one we did. But before we proceed with the tutorial, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell icon so that when we post a new video you'll be notified. So what we are going to do right now, it is for us to resize our background size. So you tap on these three dots here, you image size, and then we are going to decrease the height. So let us use 900. Good. Delete this text. Alright, so we need to change our background. Changing our background, you tap on this thing that has two layers here. So you tap on it, then you tap on color. So we are going to be using ash background. So you click on white, and you click this plus sign that is here, so you can, so we are going to use this to dress it a little so we could attain the ash color we want. So you click OK. We are going to write our text. You see this A2, so you click on this, then you click on text. So we are going to write our text. You click on edit. So you so we've gotten it now. So we need to, what do we do? So we are going to change our the text font. So that's what we're going to change. So you slide through, you click on font, are we okay? Let us use any font from here. Okay, we're going to use this. Robot regular. Okay, so we are going to, what are we going to do? So let's reduce the size of our text. Reducing the size of our text, we are going, let us change this font color, this font size, no, the font. Good. I will send you the font. So what are we going to do now? We are going to align our, let's align the text. You click align. We are to align the text to the center like this. So we've aligned it. So let us bring it to the center. So bringing it to the center, you move it like this. This, you click on the relative position. So it's at the center already. So you will use this position tool to pull it down. Let's put it down like this. Good. So what are we going to do next? We're going to increase the text. Let us increase this text again. So you click size. This is what I clicked on. Click on size. Tap this. So let us put it at the center again. Good. All right. So we are going to add a shape. So adding a shape, you click here, you see shape here. So this is the shape we are going to use. Let's add the shape. Look at what I'll be doing on everything. So now we proceed. We need a curve, so we are going to curve. So we are going to use the max tool to cut this into a curve. So look at the place I clicked on. After the eraser, the max, you click on the max tool. You click to enable it, so you turn it on like this. Hope you get what I'm doing. So we are going to cut it. Let's give it a good cut like this. Okay, let's see how this goes. Hope you've seen what I did. You see what I did just now. So we are going to put it here like this. So we are going to change the color. change the color to changing the color, you tap on color to turn to red. So we are going to add a font color to this. I'm going to be using this as the normal font color for the text. So the font color, so you click on it to highlight it. You click on it to highlight it, and then we are going to change the text font color. So this is it. You click on color, and then you slide through the colors. We're going to be using black, so you click on black. Now if you look very well, I want us to use two colors in this. So using the two color, you scroll down like this. So this highlight, you tap this arrow. So I want us to use two color for this text. So you put it in this exact position where this where there is, okay, let's put it here like this. Drag it. Okay, good, like this. So you scroll down, then we are going to use another. Let's use this color. I'm using this color, right? So you click OK like this. Like what is going to do? I need an image. I need a picture in this quote. We are going to be using picture. I will send the picture we are going to use across to you. So you click this, and then tap this layer. So let us lock these elements, so we are not going to move them when we bring in our images. So you tap on this place to import an image. To import, you click import. So when you click on the import, so this is the picture I'm going to be using, this picture. So I'll click on the picture, click on it to tap this. So we don't want to use a full picture, we need a frame, like a form of cycle. So you see all these things that are here, so click here like this. Hope you see what I did. So let us drag it so we can achieve the size we want. So you could, so it will look like a passport photo. Good. So we can now click it done like this. So we are going to resize this and then bring it to this place. Place it here like this. Place it here like this. Good. Are we good to go? So you're good. Now let us copy this, duplicate. Click on this place, copy, and then you lock it. We are even going to hide it. To hide it, you click on this eye, this thing that seems like an eye. So you click on it. Now we've hide it. So let us resize it like this. Now we're good. So what do we need to do? Let us add an outline to it. So you click on stroke here like this. Click on the stroke. So we are going to use red because he's the red king. Samasman Ijoma, that's the name. So you click, let's, okay, like this is okay. All right, so we are going to, let us bring it down. And remember, whenever you designing, make sure you are using your grade. So let's click on the grade so we can know what we're doing. So we are not going to exceed. Okay, let's put it like this. Move down, move it here. Okay, we're good. So what else are we going to do now? Let us add the name of the person that's behind the inspiration of this text. So you click this place. So we're going to duplicate. To duplicate, so we don't need to go far to the other side. So we just click on this thing that looks like this, where this padlock is. So you click this place, and then you click on copy. This is copy. We've copied it. So you go back. So we are going to edit it. Click here, edit, click. So we deleted it. So let's say Dr. Max Man Chine do. Click to OK. So what I'm to change now, it's aligned to the center already, so we are going to move it down. Let us move it down. Let us use our rule so we know what we are doing. Click here, so you add, and then so we know exactly what we are doing. Click here, so we know what exactly we are doing. Good. Now let us do what? Resize. So we'll decrease the size of the text. So we are going to move it. You see where I clicked position to nudge the element, so we are going to move it down to this place. So we are good now. Let us change the color to red color. Then you look for the red color. This is the red. Let us increase red a little bit. Good. This is the red color. So you click on this. So we've attained this. Should we change the font for this? Okay, let's leave it like this. So remember we did something. We added the photo. Click here. This is the photo we locked, so we are going to unlock it. Now we are going to remove it, so you tap it like this. So we are going to, this is it already. So we are going to change this color of this photo. You come here, you click on color filter, so you move this and you move this, so we can get a white picture, white and black picture image. Good. So let's resize, and then we are going to send this picture to the back of the text in the background. So you click here, you click on send to back, so the text is already at the words at the back. So click position, and then let's move it a little bit upward. Good. So let us put it at the center. Good. So we are going to reduce the opacity. Click on opacity to reduce the opacity. So we've already reduced the opacity. Now we are going to bring in a shape. Look at this. We click here. Let's bring in a shape. So we're going to use this shape. Now look. So you scroll down like this. Now we want to blend this picture into the background. That's what we want to do now. We want to blend the picture into the background. So we will click on gradient. So on this plus sign, you click on the plus sign like this, and then you move here, tap here like this, and then click on this place. So you move it like this to 132. This is 132. Look at it, 132. So let us move this here like this. You got what I did? So okay, and then with this arrow, you move this arrow to the center. Good. So you tap OK. Now we've gotten something. So you click OK here, and then we are going to move to color. Then we'll add a red background color. This is it. This is the red. Say this is the red. So we're going to use the red color. So you click this. Now you use this to rotate. You rotate it, and then we are going to increase it like this. So let's move it down to this place. So we move it down to this place. Move it down to this place like this. All right, so if you can see where now you are going to understand that you're going to understand that this picture here is showing, like, we need to block this place to make it blend with the background. So we are going to duplicate this. We are going to duplicate this blend we use now. We are going to duplicate it, copy, and then we are going to change the color to ash color, an ash color. You click on color, then ash. This is the ash color. So let us reduce it so we can know what we are doing. So we are going to turn it, to rotate it like this. So now what do we need to do? We are going to send this to the back, and you can see we already have layers in the back. So in order for us to do that easily, you click on this layer here. So this is it. We are going to move it down to where this thing is. We're going to move it down to this place here. Now you see something now. So we've gotten it here. Now you see. So it's already covering. We are going to move this the main quote. We are going to move it to the front. So you scroll here, you look at the place I tapped there, and then you see this is it. Let's unlock it, and then you come here, and then you scroll. You see to front like this. Now you can see. So also we are going to move this curve also to the front. Now you tap here like this, and then we move it towards. We are going to move it to the front, so it's already at the front. So what next are we going to do? Let us lock this test. Lock the test, and then this, tap here like this. So we are going to move let us lock this too. So we're going to, now you can see that we have blend we have blend this bottom part. So I think we are almost done, and then add a shape. Click shape. So we just want to add a line. So we're going to, let's use red. Okay, let us use black, and then we will move the line position. Click on position, then we'll move the line. Let's use the grade so we know what we are doing. So we don't want it to exceed between this place and this place that I'm using the rule, these two lines. So we move it here. Good. Now we've moved in. All right, so I think we are done with this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be and turn on the notification bell icon. We'll see you when we upload another video. So we are done with the work. We just need to proceed with saving our work. So you click this place, you save as, let's save as ultra so we can get a good quality. So save to gallery.